Hello everyone, welcome to JV Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notification so that whenever I will post the video, you will get notification so that you will not miss the any videos. Okay, today's topic is right. It looks like a simple one only, but a lot of people will confuse about it and don't have idea. Okay, we will create a WebDriver instance. Basically, when I also take interviews, how you will create, I will ask general, how you will create instance of a driver. Right. We can create a driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. Then we can also create, right, WebDriver. How we can create a Chrome driver equal to, we can also create like a new Chrome driver. Right. There are these two ways we can create. What is WebDriver? WebDriver is an interface. ChromeDriver is a class. Everyone knows concept of interface and ChromeDriver. Right. These are an inheritance. Right. WebDriver. If we go to WebDriver will extend the Chromium driver. Chromium driver will extend remote WebDriver. Remote WebDriver implements this WebDriver. Right. Right. This is the hierarchy. So whenever we can create the interface object by using child class, right? Chrome driver, Firefox, Edge driver, these are all child classes of the WebDriver. So we can create a, and we can also create a driver instance directly by using class name. Then what is the advantage of it? Right, what is the advantage of it? What is the, both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Mostly we will go with this approach. Why? It will support a dynamic polymorphism. Right, dynamic polymorphism. So if we want to create a, suppose Firefox driver, suppose, right, simply we can create with the same driver instance, we can change the functionality of it, Firefox driver. Or if you want a new Edge driver, so we can achieve dynamic polymorphism. We can create, right? We can pass the some parameter, and if else conditions we can write based on that condition we can create it. But here in this case, right, here we can achieve a dynamic polymorphism. And one more thing, we cannot, one is we can, right, we can achieve dynamic polymorphism, right, dynamic polymorphism. And also one more thing, we cannot call child class methods using parent class reference. We cannot call child class methods. What it mean? What it meaning? Right, what it mean? Suppose if you go to Chrome driver. Okay, let me comment this thing. One thing, we can achieve the dynamic polymorphism if we create driver instance, driver equal to Chrome driver by using interface. And the child specific methods. What are child specific methods? We'll see. Chrome driver have no child specific methods. Okay, Chrome driver. It has a suppose builder. I think there is a builder method. This is not, is it coming from? Okay, builder method. We'll see. This is the public method only, right? That means we can call this method builder method. That is the child specific. That means it is a child specific method. Builder. If you come here, then driver dot, suppose if I try to call builder, see, it's not visible. It's not visible. Only whatever methods are there in the WebDriver interface, get method, current URL, get title, find elements, only these methods only we can able to call on the interface object. we cannot call child specific methods. We cannot call child specific methods by using the WebDriver interface if you create this one. But mostly we will follow this approach only because we are able to achieve dynamic polymorphism. But if we create object like this, we cannot achieve dynamic polymorphism. That means you cannot point Chrome Chrome driver equal to, suppose if I want to change it to Firefox driver, right? It will not allow. It will not allow. Right? We cannot achieve dynamic polymorphism. But what is the advantage here? We can call the child specific methods. Child, suppose say builder method. I can call the builder method. There are child specific methods. If there are any child specific methods, we can call say get download files, get a dev tools. These are all child specific. That means Chrome driver specific methods. These are all not visible in the. These are all not visible. Only remote web driver. Only WebDriver. Only WebDriver provided here visible. But here all are visible. WebDriver methods will be visible. Chrome driver specific methods also will be visible. That is the advantage, one advantage of it. Suppose if you want to read the network logs, right, DevTools object we required. We cannot get on this WebDriver. We have to, then what we have to do? We have to typecast this to Chrome driver instance. Right here, in this approach, what we cannot achieve dynamic polymorphism, but we can call child class specific methods using child class. Right, child class we can call child specific methods by using the reference. That is the difference between WebDriver driver equal to, there are two ways to create, but what is the exact difference? This is the difference. We can explain in interviews like this. Right, definitely they will impress. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, like the video, share to your friends. If you have any doubts or any questions, just comment in the comment section. I will reply to that. Yeah, thanks for watching.